guys, let's talk about the order of operations for just a minute. When we see an equation that looks like this, it can be a little intimidating at first. But once you know the order of steps you need to take in order to solve the equation, it's actually quite simple. So the first step is to take care of whatever is in the parentheses or brackets first. So as you can see, I have parentheses and brackets. So the first thing you're going to do is, if you have both, you want to do the parentheses first. So you can see that we have parentheses inside of our brackets. So I need to take care of what's in there first, which is 12 times 2. So 12 times 2 equals 24. The next thing I'm going to do is take care of anything that may be on the outside of the brackets, which, as you can see, we need to take the product of 12 times 2, which is 24, and add it to 48, or add 48 to it, which in case would give us 72. The second step would be to carry out any multiplication or division that happens in the expression in order from left to right. That's a very important step, left to right, whatever comes left to right. There will be occasions where sometimes you may have addition and subtraction left over, and you want to make sure that you do whatever comes first from left to right after you have eliminated all parentheses or brackets. So in this case, once I eliminate all my parentheses and brackets, I have 72, and I'm left with a division of 6. So 72 divided by 6 equals 12. Okay, then after you've taken care of multiplication and division, the very last step would be to take care of any addition or subtraction, again, in order from left to right that could be left. In this particular case, there is no more addition or subtraction, so we're finished. We have an ending answer of 12. We have simplified this equation until we ended up with an answer of 12. Now here are a few more examples, okay? So we are going to follow our order of operations. So if you take a look at this one, you have 5 plus, then you have 10 times 3. And the key thing here to remember is that I'm going to take care of whatever is in my parentheses first. So 10 times 3 is 30. Now I'm going to bring down 5 plus 30. Now I'm going to take care of whatever comes first with addition and subtraction. There's no multiplication after I eliminate my parentheses in this problem. Therefore, the answer is 35. Now we come to a problem here. Notice there are no parentheses or brackets, so I immediately go on to my very next step, which is to take care of multiplication or division in order from left to right. So I want to look and see, do I have any multiplication? Oh, there's multiplication here. Then I see division. What do I do first? I have to do whatever comes first from left to right. So I can see that I have a multiplication problem. So I'm going to leave 6 alone. And then I'm going to represent 5 times 4 with 20. Okay? And then I see that I have a division sign here. So I replaced 5 times 4 with 20, and I brought down divided by 2 minus 10. Next, again, I have simplified the original equation to this equation here. So what I'm going to do next is follow my steps all over again. Again, I don't have any parentheses, but I'm going to take care of multiplication or division in order from left to right. So I can see that I have a division problem now because I've already eliminated multiplication here. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. And I keep the 6 and I keep this 10. And then obviously it's easy to see. Now I have an addition and a subtraction left in this problem. So what I need to do now is just decide, what am I going to do first? Well, I do whatever comes first from left to right. So you can see in this case, addition comes first. So I would simplify this part of the problem first. 6 plus 10 equals 16 minus 10, which would give me an answer of 6. And it just goes on to the same thing here. So this is your basic order of operations. Now, when you get in older grades, you're going to see that we actually add a few more details into the order of operations, But right now for 5th grade, we're going to follow these 3 basic steps and 3 basic rules for simplifying equations.